Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by quickly auditing their profile for relevant signals: job, recent activity, and shared connections. Once done, decide your clear goal, ask for a short call, share value, or seek advice, and pick a 15-20-minute time box. Make sure to match their tone, more formal for senior roles, casual for peers. Then open LinkedIn and click Connect with a note. You'll use a concise, personalized first line that references one signal to earn attention. You write the core message now. Open with a one-line personal hook, a mutual contact, recent post, or shared company so they know why you reached out. Then explain why connecting helps them. Offer a concise, concrete benefit or resource rather than vague flattery. Once that's clear, add a single, low-friction call to action. Propose 2 short time options or ask permission to follow up by message. Keep total length under 300 characters for scalability. You hit send and track replies. Aim to send within 24 hours of awareness so relevance stays high. If you don't hear back in 7-10 days, follow up with one brief message that adds value, a link, insight, or a specific question, rather than repeating the original. If still no response, troubleshoot by shortening language, softening the ask, or requesting a mutual connection to introduce you. Make sure your profile supports the message, and try changing the hook if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.